Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility, because that's where iPad controls live. Once there, scroll to Motor and find Switch Control. This is the feature we will disable. Tap Switch Control to open its panel. Make sure you can see the toggle and the switches list. If restrictions or a screen time passcode exist, have that code ready now, since you'll need it to change accessibility settings. Now tap the main Switch Control toggle to begin the deactivation process. Once you're in the Switch Control panel, toggle the main switch to off to stop automatic scanning and input remapping. If switches or recipes show custom setups, tap each and delete or disable them so they don't reactivate later. For external devices, go to Bluetooth or disconnect any wired switches before toggling off, because active peripherals can complicate the process. Make sure assistive touch or voice control aren't substituting inputs. Check those toggles and turn them off if you don't need them. After turning Switch Control off, confirm scan mode is disabled and the switch list is cleared. This ensures the iPad won't resume scanning. If the toggle won't change or settings seem stuck, restart the iPad to clear temporary conflicts and then check again. If a screen time or restrictions passcode prevents edits, recover or reset that passcode, or perform a settings reset as a last resort. Make sure you back up first. If issues persist, contact Apple support for device-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.